Here's a pair of the Soundcore V20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Mac, a MacBook or iMac via Bluetooth. So the first thing that we should do is put these earbuds in the pairing mode. The buds are in a case. I'm going to open the case up. I'm going to take these buds out. I'll know that it's in pairing mode if it's blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, it needs to keep blinking blue, blue for a few seconds, but mine goes off quickly. So for myself, let me manually put this in a pairing mode. I'm going to place both of my fingers on the logo here on the buds. I'm going to press and hold for like 3 seconds, or just wait until it starts blinking blue. Okay, so we'll do it together. Ready? Press and hold at the same time, and just wait a few seconds. I don't think oh, there we go. There we go. Now it's working. Blue, 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 blue. Now it's in pairing mode. So now let's just put this on the side right there, and you want to shoot over to your Bluetooth settings on your Mac. You can just navigate to the Apple logo, top left-hand side. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and scroll down to System Settings. From here, we're going to go to Bluetooth. Now on the bottom here, you can see that little spinny thing down there. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode. Okay, now the earbuds are still in the pairing mode. It's still blinking blue here. And it should find it up here. Oh, there it is right there, Soundcore V20i. So I'm going to hover over here. I'm going to connect. And voila, we should be connected. It says connected right there, and I got 100% battery juice on the earbuds. Now, if you had any kind of issues, can't put these in a pairing mode, issues pairing or connecting, then you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.